Luxury outdoor spaces are perfect for Arizona living most of the year,
Yeah, not now.
Not now.
Celeste is off today, but left this cool house for you.
Take a look.
Good morning, everyone. This morning's cool house may be one of the most unique we have seen. Come on in. This is Heidi Lobel. Heidi, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Thank you for welcoming us in. You have so many very unique outdoor spaces.
We do. We have about 3,200 square feet of patio, and about 2,500 of that is covered. So, like this area here in the entryway is actually cooled by evaporative cooling. So that just makes for wonderful indoor-outdoor space.
And here we are right inside the front door. And Heidi, one of the things that you've showcased in your home are all these beautiful fountains.
Right, yes, I love the fountains. This one is, very large, and it gives the whole house that sound of running water. It's beautiful. And it's right here in the main atrium. The whole house is built around this center atrium. And if you look up, there are ceiling, very top is about 40 feet.
It's beautiful. So we love great spaces on Cool House, and this is definitely one of them.
Yes, it's a very large space. I love that you've got the kitchen here and dining and living area, all connected. We've got the 12-foot ceilings, which are throughout the entire home, so that's lovely. And then the kitchen is huge. It's for a gourmet chef. You've got the 2 cooktops, double ovens, large pantry, everything you need.
Talk about a grand entrance. Here we are with these grand twin staircases. We're right upstairs. Beautiful, and it gives you an idea of how grand the home is.
Yes, it's 6,565 square feet, and one of the great things about it is you see from the front door right here, you can actually see with these big picture windows all the way through to the back to the pool.
Oh, wonderful.
That's one of the best features. We have 5 bedrooms. 3 of those are en suite, including the master suite.
The primary suite is quite large, and I love the sitting area that you have. Perfect for like that morning cup of coffee.
Absolutely. And I usually take my coffee right here on the counter. I can fix it and just enjoy myself. There's a fireplace here. It gets a little cool in the winter.
Right? Yeah, not in those summer months. You love the columns that surround the bed as well.
Absolutely. And then the columns are surrounding pretty much the whole property. It's very beautiful.
And then we make our way into the primary bathroom.
Right, which has his and hers, just about everything.
Here we are in the backyard, and I think in our cooler months, this is where you find a lot of people.
Absolutely. You can grill out here, but as well you have a full cooktop and fridge and sink, so anything that you can do in the house, you can do out here.
That's awesome, and especially if you're entertaining, right? Because you have the pool out here.
Mm-hmm. And there's the pool and hot tub, and you've got a couple of, built-in tables for, entertaining and eating. And as well, this area area is cooled.
I love the evaporative cooling, right?
Right, and the fans, and it just, as well, you can go right up the stairs here to the roof deck, especially in the evening. It's wonderful when it cools off, and you have 360-degree views of mountains and a little bit of city. It's very nice.
Oh, how beautiful. Those city lights, right?
Oh, yeah.
Wow. Heidi, thank you for the tour this morning.
All right.
Thank you. You have a beautiful home.
Oh, thank you so much.
This is one cool house.
And there you go, Ty. You can have that house. It's on the market for only $2.79 million.